So yo guys, what is happening and welcome back to Shifting Gears. So in today's video we will be announcing the winner for the 500 subscriber giveaway that we did. We did post a video 2 weeks ago. So we gave you guys 2 weeks to like, comment and subscribe to us on that video. So in today's video we will be announcing the winner. So obviously if you did miss out on this giveaway, we will be doing plenty more in the future, obviously when we hit 1,000 subscribers as well.
So what we're going to be doing, how we're going to pick the winner of this giveaway is basically all the usernames that commented in our video. We're going to put all the usernames into like a random name generator on our phone. So what we're going to do, we're going to get in the VXR, get all the names on the phone, and we're literally just going to press generate once. So yeah, for everyone that did enter the giveaway, and if you commented in the video, your name will be put in the generator. We're going to click generate, and as I said, we're going to be giving away either a £50 voucher for whatever you want, or a set of private number plates. So yeah guys, we're going to get in the car now and yeah, get all the names in. We're going to show you when we click generate. So yeah, we'll see you guys in a minute. So yeah guys, we're in the VXR now, and as I said, for all of you guys that commented, I think altogether there were 82 comments. So yeah, as I said, we're going to click on your usernames, get your username. We're going to copy the first bit of your username, put it into this thing called Wheel of Names. So altogether we should have 82 entries. We're going to write everyone's name on there, click spin once, and whatever name it lands on, whoever the winner will be, we will let you know how to get in touch with us and what to do. So yeah, I'm just going to get all the names down now and we'll see you guys in a minute. So yes guys, as you can see, it took us a little while getting everyone's name in the generator. It took us about a good 10 minutes. So yeah, as you guys can see, we put the names in order of the comments. So if you was to go through the comments and see the first comment to the last, that's exactly how we done it. So if you scroll through, you'll be able to see all of the names that commented.
That's it. Obviously we want to make this fair as well guys, so that's why we're using the generator.
Yeah, I mean there is a lot of names, but how it's going to work is, so now we've got everyone's name in there, we're literally going to press tap to spin, and the first name it lands on is the person who's going to win it. So yes guys, we're going to tap it now. As I said, we've got all the names there, so whichever first name it lands on is the person who's going to win it. So 3, 2, 1.
Who's going to win?
That has landed on, I don't know how to say that name, but I think it's Tyrese Richardson. I think if I'm saying it right. Yeah.
Well, yeah.
Tyrese Richardson.
That's the winner guys.
You have won our competition for our giveaway. So yeah guys, that was the name it landed on. Whoever this is, make sure you get in touch with us. We're going to give it a couple days, and as I said, if the person who's won it, and if, as I said, there could be someone that doesn't get in touch with us and we don't know who it is, we'll give it up till about 3 days, you're saying,
yeah,
bro?
I'd say 3 days. 3
days, yeah, from today. 3 days. If the person doesn't get in touch with us, we'll keep everyone's name. As I said, I've got it all in a list here, everyone's names. We'll respin it and pick the next winner. But as I said, hopefully this person gets in touch with us. And yeah, as I said, hit us up on our Instagram. Yeah, get in contact with us and we'll let you know what we're going to do. And yeah, 100%. So well done to everyone that entered. Thank you so much for all the support and love you've shown us. So yeah guys, that was the giveaway done. As I said, we got a winner. Well done to everyone that entered. Thank you so much for all the love and support you've shown us. As I said, this isn't the only giveaway we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing a lot more in the future as well. Once we hit 1,000 subscribers, we'll be doing one then as well. And as I said, we'll do small little ones as well. And as I said, we both really appreciate the love and support you guys have shown us. So thank you so much for entering and showing us so much love. And we'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you for watching. Also, make sure you guys comment, like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. It helps us out. So yeah, we tried making the giveaway as fair as possible in the generator. And as I said, we'll be doing a lot more in the future. And make sure you guys comment, like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys in the next one.